In the latest chapter of the Wizarding World, JK Rowling stirs the cauldron of controversy. Buckle up, muggles and wizards alike, as we dive into the tale.
Rowling, the Queen of Hogwarts, finds herself in a duel of words with her own champions, Radcliffe and Watson. The spell? A disagreement over trans rights that has the wizarding and muggle world watching.
Rowling declares, "Save your apologies," as she criticizes the transitioning support by celebrities. No forgiveness potion can mend this rift, it seems.
Enter Boris Johnson, the Muggle Prime Minister, who conjures a defense spell for Rowling, dubbing her a modern saint.
But will this charm be enough to dispel the growing storm?
As the bandwagon hurtles towards a cliff, Rowling stands firm, her quill poised for the next chapter. What spells and counterspells await in this enchanted controversy? Only time will tell.